Greetings, travelers of life's many roads. Today, we step onto a path that many seek but few truly understand, the journey to financial freedom. This quest is not merely about wealth, but about independence, purpose, and aligning our resources with what truly matters. Join me as we uncover how to master the art of abundance while keeping our hearts and minds at peace. In my early days, I believed freedom was found in possessions, in the fleeting security of gold and riches. But as I walked further, I realized that true freedom comes not from what we own, but from what we no longer depend on. To achieve financial freedom, we must first master our desires. Wealth is not the root of freedom, discipline is. Money is like this stream, a tool that flows through our lives. If we hoard it, it stagnates. If we waste it, it vanishes. To achieve freedom, we must become stewards of this flow, using it wisely and purposefully. Ask yourself, what do I truly value? What brings meaning to my days? These answers will guide your decisions and ensure that your resources serve your soul, not the other way around. The path to financial freedom also requires clarity of intention. Many of us chase wealth without understanding why, like a traveler running toward a mirage. Begin your journey with mindfulness. Write down your goals, not just material ones, but the life you wish to create. When your actions align with your vision, even the smallest steps will carry you far. Another lesson I learned was the power of simplicity. The fewer distractions we carry, the lighter our journey becomes. I once met a farmer who taught me this. True wealth is knowing what is enough. Reflect on your needs versus your wants. When we release the burden of excess, we find the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Financial freedom is also built on knowledge. Like a warrior sharpening their blade, you must sharpen your understanding of the tools available to you. Learn about saving, investing, and managing resources. Avoid the temptation to spend without purpose, and instead, let your choices reflect your values. Remember, every coin spent is a vote for the life you wish to create. Yet, freedom is not achieved through selfishness. True abundance grows when we use our resources to uplift others. When we give, we create a ripple of positivity that returns to us in ways we cannot predict. Let generosity be a part of your wealth, for it enriches not only the receiver, but the giver as well. Remember, my friends, financial freedom is not about escaping work or responsibility. It is about aligning your resources with your purpose, creating a life that reflects your values. Be disciplined, be mindful, and use your wealth as a tool for growth and peace. If these words have guided you today, share your thoughts in the comments. And if you seek more wisdom on this journey, subscribe and walk with me again. May your path be abundant, and may your spirit remain free.